Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this pneumatic die grinder made by OEMTOOLS, model number 24404 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this die grinder will be included in the description below. This compact die grinder is great for professionals in the field, along with those tackling projects at home. The compact design allows you to get into those tight areas. While it is small, it's still easy to operate and does have the power output for cutting metal, grinding material, and cleaning rust. Weighing in at only 0.7 pounds, only 4.7 inches in length, and has a 1/4 inch collet size. Its air consumption is 2.4 CFM at 90 psi and has a free speed of 25,000 RPM. The rubber exterior allows for a slip-free design, yet is still easy to keep clean. This die grinder does include 2 wrenches for the collet, but does not include an air fitting, so therefore you have to add your own. The exhaust port is located at the front of the die grinder, around the spindle area. Overall, I've been extremely happy with this die grinder. It has been doing an excellent job for any projects I have been tackling, such as removing rust, auto body work, and cutting seized fasteners. This is being used with a 2-cylinder, I believe it is a 10-gallon capacity air compressor. While the air compressor may be on the smaller side, it still does keep up just fine and gets the job done with no issues. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experience in the comments below, helping out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.